Meaning of double bill.
Double bill.
Double bill.
Double bill.
Double bill. The term double bill usually refers to a situation where two performances or events are scheduled to take place one after the other, for the price of a single ticket. This means that audiences get to enjoy two different performances or events for the price of one, making it a popular option in the entertainment industry. Double bills can include anything from movies and plays to concerts and festivals, and they offer great value for money while also providing a diverse range of experiences for audiences to enjoy.